So my wife's birthday's coming up, and she's been wanting these for a while, but this is like on steroids. This is the mega. I know you don't know what I'm talking about, so let's get it out of the box, and you're gonna see for yourself. It is a garden chair, like on steroids. It truly is. She's gonna be so stoked. Okay, everyone, so here is the garden chair. This is so nice. Like, for one, the frame is really solid. It folds up, it's compact, as you can see. Nice foam padding right here to sit on or to put your knees on. You know, for hours of gardening, for hours of planting, landscaping, this is gonna be your go-to seat right here. It's beautiful, got a nice design, very solid. Let's take a peek at some of the other things it comes with. And then we'll put it together and I'll show you guys. We'll go outside. Here's your owner's manual. It's gonna show you how to unfold it, how to fold it back up to make it compact. So you'll wanna take a look at that. But here's some really cool things. So here is a gardening bag that it comes with. So plenty of pockets around every side. This is by Aimerla right here. So if you're looking for a gardening stool, a landscaping chair, this is what you want by Aimerla. This is perfect for your outdoor needs. High quality. They thought of everything. For every garden tool that you're gonna need, they've got a pocket for right here. So you got a nice big open area. You have really strong nylon handles. Comes with gardening gloves. These are really nice, breathable gardening gloves. Nice grip, rubberized grip on the hands. It's got a real nice breathable material on the back, so your hands can breathe, but you're gonna have gardening gloves. Perfect, awesome. You're going to have another bag right here that's actually gonna fit on the stool. Okay, everybody, here we are. It's gonna be real easy, just unfold and get ready to use. Those are gonna lock into place like that. There we go. It is ready to use. This is going to connect to the side like this. So you're gonna be able to have your tools right next to you by your side. Again, you've got your gardening bag here and you've got your gloves. But it also is made, you can kneel on it and then you can use these as support. If you need help getting back up, you can put your hands right here and push yourself up. Really nice design, very durable, easy to use. Get my new gloves on. What I love about this garden chair is that it's easy to use, but it's also versatile. So I can sit on it, I can kneel on it. It's springtime, so I'm just getting ready to cultivate some soil, get ready to put some fertilizer on, and this stool works perfect for kneeling over and for rest on my elbows too. So, and I've got this great side bag right there, and this can help me get up. I love my garden chair, and my wife loves it too. It was actually her birthday present, but I probably use it a little bit more than she does because I do most of the yard work. But this is what you need. This is your go-to for landscaping, for gardening, for your outdoor needs. This is what you want. Aimerla right here.